What's going on, YouTube? Chance Ghanem here, ready to do the crypto markup. So I just made a little clip here for Facebook because, oh my goodness, guys, what we drew up yesterday right here on this 15-minute. Come on. Come on. How more perfect can this get? Follow the subtrend 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, 5 touches on that trend line. So you could have been buying all the way up. But then what's she do? Like a boss, breaks that trend line and then comes up and retests it. Guys, perfect break retest. Couldn't have drawn it up any better to show you guys that's a break retest on its own. Boom, drops like a rock. Drops like a rock, comes back up, respects this area, which, look at this. Look at this. Does the past repeat itself? Let's see. I wonder. Very curious. Oh, wait, it does. Wait, how many touches we got over here? 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, 5 touch, break, retouch, 6 touch. Come down here, practically a touch, 7 touch. And then once it breaks, boom, 8 touch, 9 touch, 10 touch. So that's a very, very strong line. So once this breaks, you should have entered. So if I'm trading this, like watching the charts, entering here on the break, entering here on the retest, probably taking half my profit around here once it pulls up, getting another entry right here, probably 1 or 2. Then once this breaks this, get another entry right here, and hopefully you're sitting with 3 to 4 entries down to here, and then you see it catching itself right here. I'm seeing a triple bottom. If I had 4 entries, I would close half of them, put my stop profit right about here, because if it breaks up past this line, we're good. The trade's over. Like, it's going to move back into an uptrend. So, guys, personally, with Bitcoin, I would not touch it right now. Here's what we are looking for, and here's what is going good with it. Right here. Pretty much right here. All right, there you go. I like this zone heavy. I like this zone a lot. All right, so I want to see it break underneath and give me a retest before I enter again. Or if it wicks like this and starts shooting back up and it can't break this floor, we'll be looking for a buy once it breaks here. So let me draw up what I just said for the new people in here. So I'm either looking for this. I'm going to enter right here on the retest, just like we would enter here or here or here. Like on the retest, or this is our initial entry, like people be entering right here on a sell. That's stupid. People be entering right here on a sell. That's stupid. People be entering right here on a sell. That's stupid. Guys, wait for the retest. Wait. I'm saying this because it's so freaking easy and simple that you just got to remember it. And all right, so it's either going to do that, or I'm waiting for this to kind of go, ooh, break up. I think it was a retest in this zone right here and go back up. So whether it's on this line right here, which is the strong line of more of the hour, the stronger, but you got to remember all these lines are really just zones. There is no exact price per se, especially with Bitcoin, because it is so wild, because it moves so crazily. I would say this is more of a this. So it can kind of come back into this zone wherever it feels like. So if it comes back and fills this zone, then goes up, we're getting our entry right in here. Guys, that's Bitcoin. That's what we're looking for. Again, it played out perfectly after yesterday. Boop, retouch, dropped it. Boom, dropped it. So let the markets talk to you. Let's see what the markets do. Let's go to Ethereum. Looks like it's dropped a little bit from, yeah, it's dropped a lot of it. And again, guys, right here, this is too easy. I cannot wait to start trading this stuff. So like way more serious. I'm just showing you guys how this stuff follows the rules. It's following rules like a champ. So let's go to the 1 hour, kind of see the macro of what's going on here. So if you were on yesterday, I said do not enter until it breaks this zone. And then I said I would wait for the retouch of this line. Well, look what happened, guys. It couldn't break that zone. It didn't break that zone. And what it did is it pushed down, retested. So this kind of started to form a trend line right here. If you drew it out, you might have got an entry here. Probably not, though. It's all good. I wouldn't have probably got this entry right here. Where I would have got my entry is in this sweet spot right here. or where this trend line comes and it's pretty much touching this zone, because this line could be here to here pretty much, because look at this floor right here that's formed. So you could have been playing right off that floor, came right up and touched, X marks the spot, trend line crosses, bada bing, bada boom. Actually, and like you see how there's a little gap here. If I tighten this up, it gets even better, which is crazy. So if I draw my trend line better, boom, look at that. You could have got an entry here and an entry here before this mad push down. Could have been catching lots and lots of pips. But let's see what's good now. So we got this trend line still relevant. Still relevant. It's in a downtrend. But the thing is, this area right here is just consolidated garbage. So personally, I'm not trading this thing. Um, I don't really like anything but Bitcoin, but I like to show these other because I know there's other people who trade them. Boom, right there. I'm not touching this trade now until, watch, I'll just move this down until this happens. Until this happens. I would not execute a sell there. I would not execute a buy until it breaks that trend line. Super clean. And let me see here. So there is a little, I'll say right about there. So yeah, I mean, I'm looking, wrong thing. That's good right about there. And I want this to kind of do one of those. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm either looking for it to come down, break, retest, or it's a break up, retest here, and that's where I would buy. But essentially, I'd keep looking for the sell on this Ethereum. Push up so fast. What goes up must come down. You can see I already tried to force down. So we'll see what's good on this in the long term. Litecoin, I think it's still, yeah. I mean, it's following this to this trend line a little bit, but let's drop it down to the 15-minute. Guys, break, retest, broke out of this zone, retest. This is where you should enter. So I called it from up here, and you can see that it just went stagnant. Then it finally made this push down, push down, push down. And then what I said it's going to push down and break this green and retest. You can see my drawing right here. See the drawing? Break, retest. Look at this, retest right there. Should have entered right here. And you would have caught pips all the way down. Came back up, boom, back down. So right now with Litecoin, I don't even have a prediction because it's complete garbage after that. If you got that entry, I'd put in stop profits, but it could be reversing right here off this little floor that's forming. But essentially, that's it, guys. Technicals are winning with cryptos. I'm going to be here every single day that I can. I'm trying to do 5 days a week. I'll see if I can do 7 because cryptos trade 7 days a week. And with that being said, I will try to bring you guys as much value as possible. All I ask is you go over, hit that subscribe button, and you keep watching. The only other thing I would like to say is that if you want to learn how to trade and do this skill by yourself, learn the in-depth, get one-on-one mentorship with me, and really learn how to trade Forex style and learn how to trade Forex, which will apply directly to trading cryptos, which I'm doing now, I got you. Check the information out below. Check out my 90-day game plan that can get you learning how to do this skill in 90 days. And or hit me up on Facebook. And I'll connect with you on Facebook. Chance Ghanem on Facebook. My link's below. And we'll dominate. We will dominate the markets. That's my plan. My plan is to help 500 people in 2018 change their lives with Forex, cryptos, trading. Hopefully you're one of them.